It's very easy to slip back into a reactive cycle. It's funny, it's kind of catch-22. You get a new plant manager that comes in and says, we're spending $250,000 a year on vibration analysis and infrared, and I'm looking and we have very few problems. Well, the reason we have very few problems is because we spent that money. You should have seen us 5 years ago. Well, the first thing they do is they'll cut that out of the budget. Today, probably the biggest challenge in the maintenance and reliability programs, maintenance overall, lack of personnel. If you look at vibration as a small segment of that, I think that we're losing the people with that knowledge of that technology faster than we're replacing them. And getting good analysts and keeping a good analyst is very hard these days. That's the biggest challenge. It's how to maintain your programs and not let things slip through the cracks and keep focus of what's important while still getting the work done that you have to do to keep the plant running. At the end of the day, someone's got to do the work. The physical work sometimes overrides the need to do other things. I've watched it over the last 30 years where customers have great programs and they'll lose 1 or 2 people within 2 years. It's like reliability was an afterthought there.